Here's the app called RADIATE, Events, Festivals, and Friends. Here is the app. You can just see it here. Is the version 2 is out now. Connect, discover, and experience live music and events like never before. A revolutionary map for music lovers. Dive into an interactive map bursting with colors and life. Whether it's iconic festivals like EDC and Coachella or buzzing local concerts in your city, RADIATE version 2 brings the world of live music to your fingertips. Connect with music enthusiasts, join a vibrant community where music unites, find new friends who share your passion, spark conversation, and get the inside scoop on the hottest events. Whether you're looking for a concert buddy or just someone to share excitement, RADIATE 2 is your go-to, so you can discover hidden gems on the festival. You can use it as a dating app. So yeah, quite amazing app. You can just again open it up. And here it is. Then you can just go and create an account. And then you just proceed with creating an account. So then you can just take a photo. And then basically there you have it. This is your home feed. Explore content, see what people are talking about, find events and more. So that's basically the idea, and that's how it works. And you can just explore all the different festivals, and then it's mostly in United States. So that's just where you can see it. And yeah, just go to some festival, and you can tap that you're going, and then you can see a forum. You can see people selling tickets, people looking for tickets, some like conversations, the feed. Then you can see your map, you can see your image, and that's basically what it is. And then yeah, you can just open up and create post, create group chat, event, a festival album. So you can also get some free tokens. There are some invitation codes. So yep, that's basically the idea here. That's how it works. So that's the app.